For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a plumbing business can be a highly rewarding venture, especially with the growing demand for residential and commercial plumbing services. While it does require technical skill and appropriate licensing, the business side of it can now be launched and scaled more efficiently using free artificial intelligence tools. From planning to marketing to customer service, AI can help you automate tasks, cut costs, and make smarter decisions. This guide provides a step-by-step roadmap to starting a plumbing business with the support of free AI resources. Step 1. Conduct market research and define your niche. Begin by understanding your local plumbing market. Identify underserved areas, common customer complaints, and gaps you can fill. This helps you choose your niche: emergency repairs, eco-friendly installations, commercial contracts, or general residential service. Use ChatGPT to assist in your research. You can use this prompt: what are the most in-demand plumbing services in your city/state? And what gaps exist in current offerings? For trends and customer behavior analysis, combine ChatGPT with Google Trends. Prompt ChatGPT with: summarize what Google Trends says about seasonal demand patterns for plumbing services in location. Step 2. Create a business plan. Every business needs a roadmap. Your plumbing business plan should include your mission, target market, pricing model, service offerings, cost structure, financial projections, and growth goals. Use ChatGPT to create a full plan with this prompt. Write a business plan for a solo plumbing service business focused on residential clients in your city, starting with $5,000 capital. If you need help outlining costs or revenue estimates, pair ChatGPT with Google Sheets using this prompt. Create a financial projection sheet for a new plumbing business with expected monthly expenses of $2,000 and projected income of $5,000 per month. Step 3. Get licensed and understand legal requirements. Plumbing typically requires certification or licensure, depending on your location. You also need a business license and liability insurance to operate legally and professionally. Ask ChatGPT to help you figure out the rules with this prompt. List all licenses, certifications, and insurance requirements for starting a plumbing business in state or city. To draft contracts and service agreements, you can ask: write a simple residential plumbing service agreement that covers labor, materials, payment terms, and liability. Step 4. Choose a business name and branding. Your name and brand image should reflect reliability and professionalism. Use free AI tools like Namalix to generate business name ideas. For logo creation, Canva's free AI logo maker is an ideal tool. Prompt ChatGPT with: suggest 10 unique and professional business name ideas for a plumbing company that offers fast and affordable service in city. Once you choose your name, use Canva's AI tools to design a logo, business card, and other branding materials to use across marketing platforms. Step 5. Build a simple website and online presence. A strong online presence helps customers find and trust you. Use free platforms like Wix, WordPress.com, or Card to build your website. ChatGPT can generate all the website text for you. Prompt example: write homepage, about us, and services page content for a plumbing company based in city, specializing in emergency repairs and water heater installations. Use Google Business Profile to make sure your business appears in local search results. You can ask ChatGPT: how do I set up and optimize a Google Business Profile for my plumbing business? Step 6. Set pricing and service packages. Price transparency builds trust. Offer flat rate packages for common services and hourly rates for more complex work. Use AI to help compare market prices and calculate profit margins. Prompt ChatGPT with: what are typical prices for common plumbing services in city, and how can I set competitive rates while maintaining profit? You can also ask: create a service pricing sheet for a plumbing company with rates for drain unclogging, pipe repair, faucet installation, and emergency calls. Step 7. Develop a marketing strategy. Marketing drives client acquisition. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and MailChimp free plan to create content and build outreach campaigns. Prompt ChatGPT with: create a 30-day marketing plan for a new plumbing business in city, targeting homeowners and small landlords. For flyers and visuals, Canva's AI templates can help you quickly create branded promotional materials. You can also use ChatGPT to write Google Ads or Facebook Ads copy using this prompt. Write 2 short Facebook ad headlines and descriptions for a local plumbing company offering same-day service. Step 8. Set up scheduling and invoicing systems. Clients expect professional and convenient scheduling and billing. Use free tools like Calendly for appointment scheduling and Wave Accounting for invoicing and receipts. You can also use ChatGPT to set up workflows. Prompt example: design a simple workflow for receiving plumbing service inquiries, scheduling appointments, performing the service, and sending invoices. You can even ask ChatGPT to generate template messages like: write a professional appointment confirmation message for a plumbing service scheduled for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Step 9. Offer great customer service and collect reviews. Satisfied customers are your best marketing tool. Follow up after each job to ask for feedback and encourage online reviews. Ask ChatGPT to write follow-up messages. Create a polite follow-up text to thank a customer for choosing our plumbing service and ask if they'd be willing to leave a review on Google. You can also create a basic CRM in Google Sheets to track customers and appointments and ask ChatGPT. Create a table format to track plumbing clients, services provided, dates, payment status, and follow-up notes. Step 10. Scale and expand. Once your plumbing business gains traction, consider expanding by hiring additional plumbers, offering new services like water filtration system installations, or entering commercial contracts. Ask ChatGPT to create an expansion plan. Outline a growth plan for a plumbing business that wants to go from solo operator to a team of 5 within 12 months. If you want to create training documents for new hires, use this prompt. Write a training checklist for new plumbing technicians covering tools, safety, customer interaction, and job documentation. Conclusion: starting a plumbing business may seem like a traditional, hands-on profession, but behind the scenes, free AI tools can dramatically streamline planning, branding, customer communication, and scaling. With the help of tools like ChatGPT for writing and planning, Canva for design, Wave for invoicing, and Google tools for scheduling and visibility, your plumbing business can run smarter and more efficiently. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.